Hi, I'm Miss Thompson. Have you ever thought about starting a vegetable garden? Now is the perfect time. Or have you ever thought about the plant life cycle? Today we're going to combine both of those. Let's go. All right, let's start by talking about the plant life cycle. The plant life cycle starts with the seed. The seed then starts to germinate and form a stem and roots. Then a baby plant is formed, or a small plant. Then the small plant turns into an adult plant, and then the process starts all over again. The plant life cycle is a continuous process that goes over and over again. Today we're going to focus on the life cycle of a green bell pepper. Your parents can buy these at the store, or you can find them in the backyard, wherever you might have one. We're going to look at the entire process of the green bell pepper. First, let's start by getting our materials together. So we're going to start by looking for the seeds in our bell pepper. Your seeds are going to be found inside. So we're going to start by taking our knife and we're going to cut it open. You want to cut at the very, very top. After a while, you're going to notice that your seeds are going to start growing. That's germinating. And put them into a larger container. This is actually a water bottle container that you can cut in half, something that you might have at home. And I took it and I put it in here. And now it's a baby flower. Then, after a while, it's going to become a large flower. So this is a bell pepper plant that is an adult plant that is actually already growing bell peppers. The flowers are a good sign. Those flowers are what turn into the bell peppers. So when you see those white flowers, you know your plant is good to go. So that's the life cycle of our green bell pepper. Okay, so besides bell peppers, there's lots of other things you can grow, especially with your time at home. This is some organic celery, and I'm going to show you how to quickly grow some celery at home. This is celery, which is already starting to grow here in the middle. But what we're going to do is we're going to put this in some water and watch it grow. So here's my celery, and all you do is a few simple steps. Take your knife. You're going to leave about 2 inches at the bottom, and we're going to just cut it. This top part here I'm going to save to eat later. And the bottom part here, all I'm going to do is take it and put it into a nice cup of water. So here's my container. There's a little bit of water at the bottom. Put it in, and I'm done. In a few weeks, you'll have lots of beautiful celery. This plant has been growing for about 2 weeks, and it already has a lot of beautiful leaves. And I have some more. This one's just starting. Here's some more. Lots of plants here. Also, another one that grows similar to celery is lettuce. This is only about 4 days, and the lettuce is already starting to grow from the top. Well, I hope you learned a lot about the plant life cycle, or you just took what you already knew and kind of enhanced your learning. So remember, you can grow celery, you can also grow lettuce, green bell peppers, you can also grow a variety of other plants such as cucumbers, jalapenos. They're all easy to grow. See you soon.